Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Samsung A12 Smart Switch not compatible error. Phone transfer troubleshooting. Solution 1. Check device compatibility. Verify that both phones are running Android 5.0 or later. Ensure the source device is supported by Smart Switch. Check that both devices have sufficient battery charge, at least 50% recommended. Confirm that both devices have enough free storage space for the transfer. If transferring from an iPhone, ensure that the latest iOS version is installed. Solution 2. Update software. Open settings on your Samsung A12. Scroll down and tap software update. Select download and install. Install any available updates. Restart your phone after the update is complete. Open Smart Switch again and retry the transfer. Solution 3. Install the latest Smart Switch app. Open the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Search for Samsung Smart Switch Mobile. Tap Update if an update is available. If the app is already installed, uninstall and reinstall it. Launch the newly installed version. Try connecting the devices again. Solution 4. Verify app permissions. Open Settings, tap Apps, select Smart Switch, tap Permissions. Allow all required permissions including storage, contacts, phone, nearby devices, photos and videos. Close and reopen the app. Fix 5. Use a different transfer method. Option A. USB cable transfer. Connect both devices using a compatible USB cable. Open Smart Switch on both phones. Select cable transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions. Option B. Wireless transfer. Connect both phones to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Smart Switch on each device. Select wireless. Start the transfer process. Option C. Backup and restore. Backup data to a PC using Smart Switch. Connect your Samsung A12. Restore the backup to the device. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.